All right, class, this is Mr. Eggleston, and this is the Check Your Understanding, the CYU for lesson 6.1. So the first question, determine if each sequence represents a linear pattern or not. So what we're going to do is look for the rate of change on A, since it's a table of data. So that's going to be 9 minus 15 over 2. All right, that's negative 6 over 2. The rate of change here is going to be negative 3 minus 9, which is negative 12 over 7 minus 3 is 4. That's also negative 3. So these are negative 3. And this one right here, negative 6 plus 3 or minus a negative 3 is negative 6. Okay, that's going to be negative 3. And then 8 minus 7 is 1. So that equals negative 3. So the answer to this is linear. There is a constant rate of change. Okay. On this second one from the graph, you notice that when we go over one, we go up that amount. So if this is truly linear, we would go up the same amount wherever we are. So if I just move this over to there, it should be the same amount, and you see it's not. Or if I go over to here, it definitely isn't. We are not, and up here even more so. So this is not linear or non-linear. So this rate is non-linear, not a common difference. All right. For number 2, it's talking about scoops of ice cream. So when you and it says, okay, let S be the number of scoops and C of S be the cost of the ice cream with S scoops. If C of S is C of S a linear function, how do you know? All right, so what we're going to do is look at the rate of change. So going from 1 scoop to 2 scoops, we increase the cost by 71 cents. All right. But when we go from 2 scoops to 3 scoops, we increase the cost by 68 cents. So C of S is not linear because it's not a common rate of change. Okay. Number 3, Patricio has $20 in a piggy bank. At the end of the first month, he puts in 75 cents. At the end of the second month, he puts in $1.25. At the end of the third month, he puts in $1.75. All right, so if you think about this, the amount of money he puts in is a sequence. It starts with 0.75, then it jumps to 1.25, then it jumps to 1.75, the amount we add. Identify something in this scenario that is growing linearly. Well, if you notice, to go from one to the next, where the amount we're adding is increasing by 50 cents. So the amount we're adding, the amount he adds is growing at a constant rate. That means it is linear, growing linearly. Identify something in this scenario that is growing in a nonlinear pattern. Explain how you know. Well, if you look at the total money saved, the total money in the piggy bank is not growing linearly, linearly, I guess that's how you spell it, because we are adding different amounts each time. We are adding different amounts each time. And there you go. And that's the end of the Check Your Understanding. Have a good day. Oh, that was silly. Okay, there it is.